everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you for joining me. Happy New Year. I'm so excited to be back with you. I took a very extended break and I am ready to ease back into crafting and filming videos for this channel. Thank you to all of you who left comments on my 24 days of my road trip memory lane. I will slowly work on getting winners announced and prizes sent out. The prizes will ship as a package, and that's like $3.50, and there are 24 people, so it may take me a little while, but I will do my best to get the winners announced sometime soon. But yeah, I'm so excited. Today we're going to start with a small little haul. And then the next video you'll see will be day one in my 2022 Valentine's Love kind of card series. I'm so excited to get that started. I can't make any promises on how often I will be able to post. I will try to be as consistent as possible. If you haven't already turned on your post notifications, you click on the bell and then you can click to all. That way you're notified when I upload. Again, I don't want to make any promises that I can't deliver on, but I am going to try to do that series and we'll see how far we get. But anyway, thank you so much. Let's head over to the craft table and I'll share with you the new goodies that I picked up. Okay friends, as I mentioned in my intro, I just picked up a few things to play with. This is kind of from like the end of November, middle December. Yeah, the only thing I've ordered in 2022 is the limited edition Simon Says stamp kit for Valentine's Day. It's the one with the doodlebug, which I really, really want. You guys know I love doodlebug, and I really want that collection. It is on my wish list. Yeah, okay. So let's start with Simon. I only picked up a few things. The first was this. This was the My Favorite Things Just Delightful cool, oh no, that's just, oh, is that their tagline now? Oh, I didn't know. This is the cool collab 6x6 paper pad. So you guys know I love aqua and I love red for Christmas, and so this is definitely one that I'm gonna really enjoy playing with. They have one that just released that is like a plaid that's pink and blue, I think. I need to get that one too. So let's start with Trinity stamps. I picked up some of these little just kind of word art looking ones. I thought they were really cute. So this is Sending You Love and Happy Thoughts. Then I got Sending You Sunshine, which I think would be really, really cute for Valentine's Day, because that way you don't have to say, it doesn't have to say love or happy Valentine's Day. And this one actually had a die cut to go with it, so I went ahead and picked up both. Same for this one, You Warm My Heart. This one actually has a pretty big die set, and I love that you can do the hat and the, like, all of them in 3D. I think that's really, really fun. And then last but not least, from Salmon Step is the Darcy's. This is so cute. I wish I could own everything that she's created, because I love every single one of them. So Valentine Wishes and Dinosaur Kisses, and then You Make My Heart Soar, S-A-U-R. Really cute. This is probably what I'm going to use. I wanted to use this to make Rob's anniversary present, but this got lost in the mail. It was delivered next door and they were gone on vacation for a week, so I didn't get it in time, but I'm definitely going to use it to make his Valentine's Day present. Okay, so we got My Favorite Things. See if there's a, yep, there's a packing list, so we'll get that out. And the jelly bean. Jelly bean for Roberto Burundi. Okay, I bought just paper. Did I mention that? I think I did. There wasn't, what I wanted during their Black Friday sale was sold out. I wanted those penguins and I wanted the little bears, and those have been sold out. They still haven't come back in stock. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ugh. Boy. You guys know how I am about pattern paper, and you know how I am about plaid, so none of this should be a surprise. So I picked up this one. This is Party Time. I love the rainbowness of it. And I love the quality of their 6x6 paper. I don't necessarily love that they're one-sided, but I kind of do. So that way I don't have to pick the pattern. So there's that one. We got Holly Jolly. This was the new one for 2021. And then the plaids, the plaids, the plaids, the plaids, the plaids. So I got two of their rainbow. I already had this one, so now I have 2 of the cheerful, and then I picked up 2 of the perfect, and then this one, which was festive celebrations. I am pretty certain, let me look this up real quick. I was really tempted to place an order, but with MFT, but again, what I want is sold out. And here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Maybe I'll place an order and just get it's the sweet plaid paper. Look at it. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm getting it. We gonna get it. We never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Okay, so I will take care of that later. And last but not least is my order from a cherry on top. You guys know that I love a cherry on top. They're my go-to for collections, especially ones that have paper. So yeah, so I bought a stamp set from them. This is the Speech Bubbles, and this is their Say It with stamps. It's part of Photoplay. So you get You're So Rad, You the Best, This Is Me Missing You, Love, Thanks for That Thing You Did, I'm So Happy You Exist, Hello Friend, Hi, You Got This, Yes You, Get Well Soon, Make a Wish, Love You, Hugs, and I've Got Your Back. And then you get a speech bubble. And then I bought the coordinating stamps. So you get the speech bubble, and then you get the little heart, the star, and the flower. So I picked that up. And again, this is Photoplay, and this is Say It with Stamps. Continuing on with that, I picked up this. This is the Hearts and Arrows stencil. There's 3 pieces. I really don't want to take them out. But there's 2 different hearts. So as you can see, so you get like the big red or pink hearts. Then you get the small red hearts, and then you get the arrows too. So I thought that was really, really fun and will be fun to play with. Along those same lines is this. This is part of the Tula and Norbit Love Story collection. So you get the supplies to make your own conversation hearts. And I thought that was so stinking cute. So yeah, I'm excited for that one. We're definitely gonna be playing with that. And last but not least, I got 2. two of this one. This paper is so up my alley. My only complaint is that they don't have it in 6x6. I don't know why, but they don't. So let me open this real quick and we'll go through it. So cute. So cute. Oh, stinks. It smells like makeup that's gone off. Wait, yeah, no. Whew. Daggum. Oh my God, it smells so bad. Whew. Okay. Oh my word, y'all. This smells real bad. Ooh, Lordy. So this is the front. I mean, I guess you could even cut these out if you wanted to and have them be, what am I trying to say? Element on a card or something. So I love these. I may end up buying separate paper of these. You guys know I like to turn these kind of cards into their own cards. So like these, all of these would make really cute cards on their own. So maybe we'll do that. And the back is just a plain pattern, so I don't mind that. And again, like I said, I got 2. So, and what I love about either scrapbook.com or a cherry on top is you can buy these papers separate. So if you wanted like 10 of them, like I did at Christmas, you could do that. So cute. So here's front and back of these 2. Hopefully it's showing up okay on my camera. the color looked a little off, but, and it's been 10 years since I filmed, it feels like. It's actually been since November, to be quite honest. Oh, I love that one. Oh, both of these are so good. Both of these are so cute. Conversation hearts, and then a really nice polka dot. Another cute one. God. Oh, this plaid. Oh, plaid. So cute. This is pink and red, which I really, really enjoy together. That's really, actually really cute. And then last but not least is this one. I'm not a huge gnome fan, but these are actually pretty cute. And then you get some stickers. So this is more for like scrapbooking, some of these bigger ones, but some of these smaller ones will fit on a card just fine. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Hopefully I mentioned in the intro things that are to come. Hopefully this goes up before the destash does. So I will be destashing even more items from my collection. I really want to work on getting a curated collection with stuff that I will use. And just like 2021 was kind of like a no-buy year, I also want 2022 to be the year that we use things that we already own. And not that I won't be getting new stuff, because I am not on a no-buy this year, but I'm really going to try to limit what I bring in and make sure that I am using up what I have. So that's it. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Thank you to every single one of you who has messaged me or commented on Instagram or commented on YouTube or Facebook asking me how I've been. I really do appreciate you. Like I said, it was a rough end to 2021, a rough start to 2022, but I'm doing everything in my power to stay positive, and that's really all I can do. So I love you guys so, so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.